Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals for the week, and hopefully you guys find something you're interested in. So these are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. So first up is a set of Knipex shears. So I've used these as well as the engineer ones that I've posted before, and both are fantastic sets. The engineer ones are usually cheaper than the Knipex, but both are fantastic sets. I think the handle design on the Knipex is a little bit more comfortable than the engineers, and this set at $21, just under $22, is a fantastic price. It has the list price around $35, but you usually see it around the $25 to $29 price range, and I believe the engineer ones usually sit at about $18 to $21. So both priced very well. Knipex, I have a lot of their tools and haven't been disappointed by any of them so far. Knipex does have a few different styles of these shears. So this is the electrician's shears, and they're down from a list price of just under $36. So there you can see the back portion towards the bottom of the blades. It's got a little bit of a larger shear for your larger cables. You do have a serrated blade as well and a sheath for it. And then you can also get this with a crimper as well. These are made in Germany. And here's just one of the other ones from Knipex. This is a little bit more advanced one and an angled set at that. And these ones run a little bit more, as you can see, $45 on that set. Not a whole lot of information that they provide for this, but it is just a simple set of shears that work very well. And that is first up on the list today. Also keep in mind that all of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. They'll each have their own independent link, and then I'll have 2 additional links that will take you to a larger list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's there for you. So here's the next item. This was actually mentioned in one of my previous videos somebody had been using and they were extremely happy with it. I personally do not have experience with this, but this is made in Japan, and every tool that I own that's been made in Japan has been very high quality and very well built. So I figured this one's worth mentioning. If you guys have any experience with this, please feel free to drop a comment down below. This is the Anex ratcheting screwdriver, the stubby ball handle. It comes with the Phillips number 2 and a flathead, quick ball grip, 60 gear mini ratchet screwdriver. Not a whole lot of information on it either, but it is an extremely stubby screwdriver. I actually prefer using a stubby screwdriver anytime possible. My PV Swiss is one of my all-time go-to stubby screwdrivers, and I think this is a good one as well. It has 4.4 stars at 383 ratings. Here's just a little bit of information on it. The head style is the Japanese industry standard, the JIS. There's just a little bit more information on it if you would like to pause and take a look at that. A very short stubby screwdriver. The ratcheting gear, here you can switch between the directions. It does have this ball handle, which is good for speed, and it's got a rubber ring around it so you can get some good grip on it still. Here is the dimensions and weight and the material. Once again, made in Japan. And here are just a few of the other Anex products. So the item we looked at was just under $17. This one has 4.3 stars at 537 ratings. A little bit different design here, but you get a bit assortment with this one. You get the bit extension over here on the left, as well as multiple different dual-sided bits. So you got square, flathead, Phillips. Here's the packaging that it comes in. Once again, this one is also made in Japan. Bit extension can be used in impact driver, and there's everything included. I think this is a good price. This is the full price. It's not on sale right now, but under $25, you're getting a good quality stubby screwdriver, not quite as stubby as the one we previously looked at, but you're also getting a good selection of bits, as well as the bit extension that can be used either in the driver or an impact driver. But once again, this is not a brand that I've used, but being from Japan, I would believe it to be good quality. So once again, if you guys have any experience with this brand, please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Next up is a SabreCut mini micro ratchet. I don't have experience with this one either. I just saw it when looking at some different bit sets, and I thought this was kind of interesting. Very compact design, a 72 tooth gear, made for your 1/4 inch bits. This has 4.6 stars at 552 ratings and is $22. So here's the overall design of the ratchet. 72 teeth, 2 ounces, 58 grams. So 85 millimeters long and 21 millimeters wide at the head of the ratchet, and then 13 millimeters wide at the base of the handle, up to 52 Newton meters. It is stainless steel and professional quality. So these types of ratchets can just be extremely handy. Sometimes when you get bit sets, if you're just looking at, getting a decent amount of bits, sometimes it'll include like a cheaper one that's they usually have a decent amount of backdrag and aren't always the best. This one seems to be pretty good quality. I like its design. You have a bit holder here in the end as well, so you can kind of use it as just your standard screwdriver if you would like, or you have the ratcheting feature and it is reversible. You don't have to flip it over or anything like that. View of it. So if you guys have used this, please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. I think it's priced pretty well, and there's just some more of the information on it. And they do have different designs as well. This is kind of like a ratchet and a breaker bar, and they have it in different sizes as well. This isn't a brand that I think I've mentioned it maybe once before in my previous Amazon videos. I saw this and thought it was pretty interesting. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, all of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys, so you guys can easily find them, along with the other links that will take you to a large list of tools that I suggest. Feel free to drop a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on these tools, or if you guys have used them. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.